I'll be talking something which is very close to my heart, that is the significance of magnification in hair transplantation. Hair, root and altogether the graft is a microscopic structure of between 3 to 5 millimeter, that is the length. So if it is magnified to up like 10 times, like 30 times, 50 times, the chances of damage at each step would decrease, and the ultimate yield in terms of growth and contribution to the results will also increase. So let us discuss step by step. The first step, when we think of mapping the area where we will be placing the grafts. If he has got some pre-existing hair, there is the miniaturization continuing, then if you have got enough magnification, then you can really digitate the space in between. You can go there and you can think of placing grafts there. You can secure some years by placing grafts in the progressive miniaturization front. The second thing is from where the grafts are to be taken, that the donor area. We can really go to the donor area, we can really delineate which is the safe area, which is unsafe area. If you have got magnification up to 5x and 8x, you can see the miniaturizing grafts, miniaturizing hair on the donor area, and you can really cherry pick those hair that you really need to place on the recipient area. So there the magnification system will help the doctor to really identify the right kind of area from where the grafts to be taken. Then the next step is like making the sites. If there are some pre-existing hair, then if you have got a great magnification system, then you can really go in between the existing hair and you will go very gently and make the site and come out, and later on of course the graft will be placed there, so they will not damage the collateral hair. The chances of shock loss in these kind of cases will be almost close to zero, both in males with pre-existing hair and of course in females. So more magnification, less is the chance of shock loss and damage to the collateral hair. Then extraction. At the time of extraction, if you have got right kind of magnification and you are really addicted to your extraction, the loops and other operating instruments, the distance and the tissue will not be damaged, so it will be kind of preserved for the future potential needs. We have pioneered something in this field by using operating microscopes, so that the magnification goes up to like 50x at the time of extraction. So that we have introduced, and the effect is phenomenal. The accuracy has increased like anything. Then after that comes the step of placement of the grafts. At the time of placement, again, so if you have got right kind of magnification systems, then the accuracy will increase. We will place the grafts in between the existing hair and we will not damage it. The accuracy will be more, the quality will increase. At the same time, if you are addicted to magnification, then there will be increase in the speed. So these three things are very, very important: precision, quality, as well as speed. All will be ensured by having magnification. Then very important step is the hairline. The hairline zone, we use around 3 to 5 layers of single follicles. If you don't have magnification up to 50x, then you will not be able to delineate or rather pick up the hiding telogen. So otherwise they would have grown on the hairline, and you will get doublets and triplets, and which is very unaesthetic. So the magnification is very, very crucial, so that we kind of pick those hiding doubles and triplets and not use them on the front. So the magnification is very, very crucial at each step of the procedure, and the team which is addicted to this magnification, then over many years, both the doctors and the assistants, they all should be using it for many years consistently and working together in tandem. Then they will contribute these both the surgical assistants and doctors with magnification systems would contribute to the ultimate result in terms of naturalness, density, a very good donor area which is potentially available for the future needs, and the whole procedure will be just like poetry.
Are Dr. Pradeep Sethi and Dr. Erica Bansal. And the clinic is Eugenix Hair Sciences in India.